My name is Michael Bernard Michael Olaimi. This is my week two YouTube video that explains the functionality of my program. All right, so I'm doing a part two of contact that I did last week. So for this assignment, you finish the contact project that I started on week one. So to skip others, add the put, post, and delete routes. All right, thanks to the this week learning activity, I prepared myself before I opened it, before I started my program, my code, which made it more easier for me to follow the instructions given. Uh, okay, let me just go to my. So, all right. So now, add the put, post, and delete route. So for me to do this, or let me see how I did this. I went to my route, to the user. I went to the user to create this. Last week, look at my code. Last week inside my route, I had a lot of get, post. I have get also. At the same time, I had get here also. But today, I was able to discover what I was missing. So inside this place, I used get. So here, I was supposed to use route.use, but I used route.get. So here, I was supposed to put the contact here for this route.get inside my route to work. But after looking at my code and some thinking, I discovered that after using get here, I need to use route here, since the route is like an index for me to route everything. Whether I have 20 routes here, this route becomes the index, is the index rather. So now in my user JS, I created the get all data, get data by ID, post, that's to create a user, to update a user, and to delete a user. So I did that in my user JS, which, so looking at my REST client, so this is okay. I'm not going to do this. Let me see what I can. Let me see what I can run the local coming. This from render. This from render. So this from local. Okay, connection was rejected either. Okay, let me I'm not connected. Okay, all right. It's not connected yet. All right, now connected to BB. So let's see. All right, yeah, fine, that's good. So now, so I have it on this is the local host. I added more data with my API. So I'll explain that when I get there. So this is the local host. So and for the posting, from to post to contact. So let's assume this is okay. Let me use this. This is Peter Clark. Peter Clark is not there. I use this as an example. So if I send the post now, it's okay. So give me 280 people, but 200, which means it's okay. It's already there. So if I should open it now, it should be able to give me all right. Should be able to give me this. Peter Parker should be able to be there. Yeah, now Peter Parker is there. So if I want to edit Peter Parker, I want to edit Peter Parker, copy the ID. Edit Peter Parker. So let's change Peter to Peterson. Peterson. So Peterson, Peter, okay, Peterson, dot Clark, So purple. So I made it. I made a wrong spelling. So that's a good one. So purple, 119. So yeah, 05. So 1. So I send this. So okay. So we check to confirm. Enter. So let's Peter Parker. So Peterson. Okay. No, I didn't change this. So Peterson Felix. Okay, it's a good one. Thought I changed this. So it's fun to delete Peterson now. So I copy the ID again. So I bring it here and I paste and I send. So it's okay. So if I check, Peterson is no more there. So Peterson is no more there. So that's about my crude create, updates, and delete. So All right. So, and okay, you should test each of the routes thoroughly with your REST clients of choice. So just so that I just did that. So now with so I'll be adding Swagger API documentation to my project. And like I said earlier, I'm happy that I went through the learning activity for this week to prepare me. Though I'm still trying to get some things right, but I can please I know I understand what I'm doing. So I understand what I'm doing. So yeah, creating Swag documentation. For me to do this, I started by creating Swag JS, which is so I'll be making use of Swagger Autogen. So I installed a Swagger Autogen into my project, so into my code, so for me to be able to use Swagger Autogen. So the document contact API, that's from my collection, the name of my description contact API. So I use the local host. So the file, the output file, and the endpoint that will be displaying. So the file that will be bringing this endpoint. So I created that. When I was done with this, I came here to create this. I copied this from the Swagger. I copied it from the API documentation from the learning activity resources. So I copied this. So I use this. So after doing this, I go to my route. So I initiated it here in my route so that to be able to route it to when I call it. When I call API docs, so to be able to route it. So when I was done here, sorry, I think I don't need this anymore. Let me delete this. So stop confusing me. Um, from the instruction, I included this. I still know what this is yet, but my code is fine. So I don't know. Probably maybe after this, I'll go on it on my own to know what it does. So now, all right. So after doing this, I had to go to my contact. Let's go to my contact to create other functions. Yeah, I was supposed to explain that when I was doing the CRUD. So this is the create functions. This is the functions for creating. This is the function for so Lambda. So I included this, so I didn't know, but I don't think this is actually necessary for me to put because when I got there, so it's more of just showing it. So I couldn't. Anyway, I'm just learning. So this is create user, update user, and delete user. So when I was done with that, I went to my app.js to initialize this, and uh, and this is for my program to access all the origin so that there won't be any error because of some modules that I'm using. I remember the last week I created a particular one that I installed some modules, and because of that, it wasn't render was not deploying my code. I had to do another one, which is this that I'm using right now. So I had to follow the instruction from the video to apply this so that there won't be any error. So it's running on 3030 port. So I did this last week. So this is the new thing that okay. I actually installed a body parser last week also, not this week. I installed it. It's from one of the learning activities that I read also last week. So this is the only thing I did here. So the app we use and it will respond to set either access control origin and also says control allow method to allow this method to to run, get post put delete options. And after that, we move to the next one. So this app.use route is me accessing this since my user the route is like an index, so everything comes in here. So that's for that. So when I was done with that, the enlist.config MJS, I did that in the learning activity for this week. So another one, okay, my swagger.json. All right, when I did my swagger.json, application JSON didn't come up, or the others didn't come up. So I was having error. So I didn't know what was going on. So when I was doing it, I thought I actually did node swagger.js. I thought I did it, so I didn't know I didn't do that. So uh, so after some minutes of looking at my code, I just thought I should do it again. So I did it. So my JSON file updated itself, and my code started working perfectly. So this is it. So now on my render, now to go to my render, I have already deployed it. Deployed it, and if you look at my render, so I deployed it live. I've been working on this assignment, because I'm also doing back end. So I needed to finish this assignment so that I'm able to move to my other assignments too. So look at it. Middle of the night, I'm still working on it. So okay, I've opened it already. So this is it. So if I refresh right now, Okay, the network. Gosh, the network. Let me cancel this. So that you can see. Let me start from the beginning. It must be the network. it's not working. I'm so sorry about that. So sorry about that. So just to go straight to the point, I've wasted much time already. So this is it. So this is the home. Try it out. Execute. So you're going to see welcome to my CSC assignment. I've been at Lime Michael. So cancel that. So you go to the contact, get contact. So try that out. Execute. You're going to see those files. You're going to see these files. They're more than 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So close that also. So the contact ID, sorry, the contact post ID. So I'll be adding another name to the API. So first name, Jack, last name, Bones, email, bones.j at example.com. Favorite color, yellow, birth date, okay, 1989, 02, okay. So if I execute that, all right. So we look at that. So we look at that. You see, it's not there yet. So we execute it again. So now we have Jack Bones. So I want to delete Jack Bones. Okay, but I want to get Jack Bones by ID. So I try to copy the ID, put the ID here, and I paste it. So we're going to see I have Jack Bones. So if I want to what else? Okay, if I want to edit Jack Bone, so try it out. This is ID. Then let me say Bonnie. Bonnie. Still the same last name. Let me change the favorite color to black. So let's execute that. Alright. So let's get Jack by ID again. Let's get him by ID again. So we change it to Bonnie. Can you see? Bonnie. Oh, I didn't include all this. So Bonnie, any black. So that's it. So you're going to see if you get all also. That's what you're going to get for Bonnie. Bonnie here, any black. So just an example. So now I want to delete Bonnie. So we try it out. Copy link. That's for Bonnie. Copy it for Bonnie. So it's gone. Bonnie should be gone right now. Okay, I'm sorry. Let's get it already. So now Bonnie's gone. So we're back to. So that's it. That's it about my project this week. What else? What else from the instruction? Okay. I think that was all from the instruction. So record myself. Okay. Post to GitHub. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you.